Okay, so you ever just stare at your pool like, yeah, I'm not cleaning that? Yeah, same. That's where this little guy comes in. Probably the best robot pool cleaner I've used so far. Hey, I'm James. Welcome back to the channel where I test stuff so you don't have to. Today, we're talking about a pool cleaning robot that actually made me like pool maintenance. Kind of wild, right? All the product link in the description. I have an Amazon and AliExpress $15 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit promowealth.com. So grab a snack or like your cat. Let's go. Number 1, WYBOT C2 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. So yeah, first off, it's cordless. You just drop it in, press a button, and it goes. Cleans the floor, walls, and the water line. Yeah, it climbs, which is kind of wild to watch. It runs for about 110 minutes, and when it's low on battery, it parks itself near the edge so you don't have to fish around for it. And the filter tray? Big, super easy to clean. Took me like 30 seconds. I used it after a storm, leaves, bugs, even some dirt in the pool. The C2 didn't just clean the bottom, it climbed up the sides like Spider-Man. Honestly, I didn't have to lift a finger. I just chilled while it cleaned. And it was quiet. I actually forgot it was running. Pros and cons? Pros: fully cordless, no messy cables. Wall climbing feature actually works. Big filter, less emptying. Smart navigation, no dumb bumping around. Auto parking is super helpful. Cons: no app or remote, just one button control. Takes 5-6 hours to recharge. Not the cheapest cleaner out there. If you've got a decent-sized pool and you're done doing the dirty work, this is for you. Perfect for busy folks, lazy folks, hey, no shame, or anyone who just wants a clean pool without effort. Not ideal for super small or oddly shaped pools, though. So yeah, WYBOT C2? Solid. It does exactly what it promises. No gimmicks, no drama, just clean water with, like, zero effort from me. Number 2, Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max all-in-one pool cleaning robot. So this thing, it's not just some little floor cleaner. It's like an all-in-one beast. Cleans the floor, walls, and the freaking water line. And it learns your pool shape, like adaptive nav or something. Sounds fancy, but honestly, it works. First time I used it, I just sat back with a cold drink and watched it go. Didn't get stuck once. Didn't miss corners. Even climbed all the way up the wall like bam, super smooth. Oh, and it's fast, not just bumping around aimlessly. So yeah, cordless, that's a big win. Super quiet, big filter, easy to pop out and rinse. Only downside, yeah, it's pricey. But I mean, you're buying freedom. It does everything and doesn't ask for a tip after. If you've got a medium or big in-ground pool and you're just tired of doing all the scrubbing yourself, this is totally for you. No wires, no drama, just clean. Honestly, the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max is kind of like the pool butler I didn't know I needed. It's expensive, yeah, but after using it, I get it. Number 3, Pivot Cordless Robotic Cleaner. So I just dropped it in, no cords, no setup headaches, right? Pressed the button, walked away. Came back like 20 minutes later, and it's just cruising around, doing its thing. And here's the cool part. It actually self-parks near the wall when the battery's low. So I'm not out there like poking it with a skimmer, trying to fish it out. Also, it cleaned way better than I expected. Leaves, tiny dirt, even a Band-Aid my kid somehow left in the pool. Don't ask. So, pros: cordless, huge, easy to use, literally press and go, cleans well and doesn't just bump around. Cons: recharge time's a little long, and it doesn't do walls, just the floor. But for the price, not bad at all. If your pool is always a mess and you just want something to do the dirty work without cords everywhere, this is for you. Not for like giant pools or folks who want every corner scrubbed, but for basic, solid cleaning, yeah, it gets the job done. So yeah, Pivot Cordless Robotic Cleaner, it's not fancy, but it works. It's like the pool cleaning helper you never knew you needed.
Number 4. Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner. So first time I used it, I was half expecting it to just swirl around and pretend it was doing something, But nah, this thing's serious. I hit start from the app, from my phone, and it just goes. No babysitting. Cleans the whole floor and the walls like it knows where the dirt is hiding. Kind of spooky, actually. What I love? No cords to trip over. Wi-Fi app is super chill, started from anywhere, even when you're still in bed. And it's quiet. I forgot it was even in there. Only thing? It's not cheap. And the Wi-Fi setup took me a hot minute, not gonna lie. But once it's done, smooth sailing. Honestly, if you've got a pool and zero patience like me, or you just want it clean without lifting a finger, this is it. It's not for folks who love scrubbing with a brush. If that's your thing, bless you, but no thanks. So yeah, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Wi-Fi Robotic Cleaner, I'm into it. It does the job, it does it well, and I get to chill while it does all the hard stuff. Honestly, one of my favorite pool gadgets so far. Number 5. DREAME Z1 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner. So I got this thing 2 weeks ago. First time I used it, I just dropped it in. No cords, no drama, and watched it go. And it didn't just clean the bottom, It climbed the freaking walls, scrubbed the water line like it was born to do it. And the best part, when it's done, it auto parks near the edge. I didn't have to go diving in after it or mess with a hook or whatever. Just pulled it out boop, done. Okay, so pros? Yeah, it's cordless, which I love. It cleans really well, and it doesn't miss corners or just spin in circles like some budget bots. Plus, it's super quiet. You'll forget it's in there. Downsides? Pricey, yeah. And the recharge time's a bit long. But honestly, I'd still take that over manually scrubbing tiles any day. This is for people who just want their pool clean, without effort. If you're the type who wants to press one button and go back to sipping iced tea, this one's for you. Not ideal for tiny plunge pools, but anything medium to large, perfect. So yeah, the DREAME Z1 Pro Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, honestly, solid. Really solid. If you want a robot that actually feels smart, cleans like a pro, and doesn't need babysitting, this is the one. Anyway, that's it from me. Smash the like if you're tired of cleaning your pool, and maybe subscribe for more lazy person tech. All right, see you next time.